go.
Thank you, Kerry, for the clothes you sent for me, flask, and some other things. The life is much in Africa, and I want you to come back with Auntie Fan when you're coming back. Thank you.
And are you going to be shy then? You don't know? Yes, you're always going to be shy. You want to say anything to the camera? No? Are you sure? Anyone else want to say anything to their sponsors?
Yes.
Huh? What? Who does? You do? Here, just hold it like that. It's going.
Dear Mamaris, how are you? Are you fine? I miss you.
Let Ronald hold it.
Dear Mamaris, how are you? I wish you a very good Christmas. And I thank for the things we enjoyed in Uganda with Auntie Fan. We go to swim, we went to swim, we ate, we went home, we came with her, and we thank you for all the things you did. And I know that you are still doing others. Next time you ask me that, I tell you all the things which I don't have. Now the shoes, almost the shirts and clothes, but the most I want are shoes. And I know that you said I wish you a very nice and good Christmas. May God bless you all.
Thank you, Auntie Fan, for the Christmas card you gave me. Thank you for what you wrote on the Christmas card. And you have a good Christmas. God bless you.
Anyone else? Anyone else want to talk to you? Here you go. Hold that. Hold that for look. Hold that.
How are you? Leo Sylvia, I'm with him.
How are you, Linda? I just want you you give me school fees for secondary. Send me some books, pens,
Yes.
and other scholastic materials.
Yes.
And I thank you for everything you sent for me.
Yes.
Like clothes, and books, and the others. I even request for shoes.
Yes.
And others.
You're gonna record something?
Oh, mother. Thank you. Thank you.
In English, they don't know. Yeah. Here, here. Are you gonna stop the video? Let me see. It's right here.